Hey everyone, my name is Jackie, and I wanted to talk a little bit about Coach Castle and how he's impacted my life in a very positive way. I've known him for like 4 years now, and we started with cardio, and he taught me the proper way of how to run. And how often to do cardio, the benefits of cardio, what not to do. And then that led into exercising, and he taught me biomechanics and the proper way of doing exercises. And I realized how much time I was wasting at the gym, how much money I wasted with trainers who were just teaching me things that weren't giving me results. And then, he also taught me about nutrition. One thing led to another, and he taught me how important it is to log your food and to log your macros, like your carbs, your fats, your protein, and how important that is and how that impacts muscle growth and fat loss. And he also taught me to overcome some of my fears, he always emphasized how important it is to challenge yourself and to overcome your fears. A lot of times I didn't want to try anything because I just was afraid of it, and I didn't do it. And a perfect example is I have a fear of water, and I could not swim. And so he taught me how to swim. It was very challenging, and he just pushed me, and so now I know how to swim. And I just in many ways, he just motivated me and made me feel good about myself, because now I feel I'm a lot more knowledgeable when it comes to my well-being overall. And I feel a lot more confident, and I really do owe it to him. And I encourage you to reach out to him if you have any concerns about whether it's diet, whether it's weight loss, whether it's muscle gain, whether it's just dealing with stress. Reach out to him. He'll I'm sure he'll chat with you and see if it's a good fit. But I could tell you he is a great person. He's very knowledgeable. He's no nonsense, and I just think it'll be worth your time to at least reach out to him. I consider him a great friend of mine, and I talk to him almost on a daily basis. I moved from South Florida to Jacksonville, so I don't see him like I used to. But, I still go on to his website, and I listen to his videos religiously, and he always motivates me and encourages me. And so, I could go on and on. But anyway, you get the picture. So good luck, and hope to see you on one of his videos. Bye.